Welcome back to my channel. We are making mouthwash toothpaste all natural. Couple of years ago, I have issues with my teeth and I don't have money to go to dentist. So I Google it and I find all this natural ingredient to make mouthwash and toothpaste. I'm not prescribing this for you to use or use this, use that. Especially if you have any health issues, do not use anything. Consult your physician before you change anything. This is just what I use and I love it. And also, I use African spicy pepper to brush my teeth. I mix it with salt and just use it to brush my teeth. And don't forget to be friends on Instagram, Twitter, at Ronke Beauty. And these are the few of our products. I am going to put the link. You can click and shop our online store. I sell on Etsy. This is Rose Gold Face Serum, Hibiscus Face Serum, and we have a chamomile also. Chamomile face print is very good. You can use it throughout the day for pick me up. You can use it morning and then and night and day. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family and to all our subscribers. Thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And we're going to need essential oil. Now you don't have to use 500 essential oil. I'm just showing everything that I love this essential oil. I use it for varieties of my products and for myself. Peppermint oil would be the best bet. Or if you can just get peppermint oil, that'll be fine. And we're going to need distilled water, baking soda, of course, and organic coconut oil. And I'm going to add a xylitol. You don't have to add it. It's not going to take anything out of it. If you don't have this, you can order it later. It's available online. And we're going to need a container. Normally, I make a big container. Just like this. I just put it in my bathroom. And I have a little bottle that I use. I'm going to show us later. So we're going to start by adding baking powder. For this size, I use about close to 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then I'm going to fill the water, not all the way, but to the like a quarter, 3/4 of the bottle. I'm going to use this rose water that I infuse. Actually, this is the first time I will use this. I use this rose water, infused rose water that I use for my hair, so and it really smells amazingly. And after that, I just add coconut oil. I use about less than a teaspoon. You don't want it to be too oily because coconut oil also I use it to oil pulling morning and evening for my teeth, and it's really good. If you haven't done the oil pulling before, please try it with coconut oil. And after that, I'm just going to add essential oil, and this is up to you. You can add just one. Peppermint oil would be fine, but I add couple, more than one for my. I add clove, Texas cedarwood, tea tree, and rosemary. But peppermint will be the best, and I add a cinnamon too also. And you just shake it. Then I just have a bottle like that I use. I keep it and I just pour it. And I'm going to show us how to make a little bit just like that. Especially if you, for a starter, you don't want to you don't want to waste your product. You just put. I use about half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I add water. Then after that, coconut. It's just the same thing that we did. And after that, I add my rosemary infused water that I make. And after that, you just fill it up. It's the same thing. I'm just showing us that you start small. This is how I started mine before I started making big one. And this is it right here. So you just pour it when you're done, and everybody in your house can use it. So we're going to make a toothpaste also. And everything we're going to use is baking soda, coconut oil for this one, no water, and xylitol for that. And this one is, there's no measurement. I love my toothpaste to be jelly-like, just like a the store-bought commercial toothpaste. My daughter, she wants us to be really smushy and hard. So it's up to you. And you can add, as you going on mix it, add baking soda to your texture, to your liking. There's no measurement, there's no anything, there's no bad or wrong way to make this. And after that, I just add xylitol and I add my essential oil. This you just scoop it into your toothbrush and just brush your teeth with that. I use this, and I use pepper, the African pepper, to brush my teeth. It's really good for for my teeth, and it's the only thing is maybe yellowish teeth. That's only. Besides that, it's really perfect. And this is our mouthwash and toothpaste. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Love you guys.